In this video, I will show you the legal and official way to download, install and use Microsoft Office 365 for free on your Windows, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11. This method works direct from Microsoft platform and it does not require any product key or paid advertisement. It is safe, it is simple, and it is 100% genuine. So stick to the end of this video so that you don't get to miss any steps involved in this whole process. To get started, simply open your web browser, and once you open your web browser, on the address bar type office.com and press enter. You wait for this page to load. If you have an account with Microsoft, simply input the email address or the phone number you used to create that account and click on next. If you've not created an account, you can simply click on create account and fill up the necessary information to have an account. For me, I already have an account with Microsoft, so I simply put the account here, my email address. Now, having inputted my email address, I click on next. With this, is asking that I verify my email address. So for me to do that, there's an email I use as a backup to always get code each time I want to log into this particular Microsoft account. All I just need to do is to input that particular email address, and once I do that, I hit on the send code, and immediately they will send a code to that my very email. Now this is the code 7665. Now having input the code, you just click no, I don't need this. So this will open to this very interface for us. Now here you see on the left side where we have apps. Click on these apps. Once you click on this app, you can see all the things that makes up Office suite. You can see we have Word, we have Excel, we have PowerPoint, we have OneDrive, we have Team, we have Clipchamp, we have OneNote, we have Designer. So it all depends on what you actually need from this Microsoft 365. For me, I would need Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. I can just simply click on this Word and wait for it to load on this particular page. You can see you can actually click on this blank document to create a new document. You can also click here to upload a file and edit it here. You can see the recent files I've worked on. Now to install it on your system, you simply click on these three dots here and go over to this very place where we have cast, save and share. Now once you click on this, you can see install page as app. Now you just simply click on it and click on install. Now you can come here and change this to just Word and click on install. You wait for it to be installed in your PC. If you go over to the desktop, you can see it's already installed here. You can simply still go back and click on Excel if you also need Excel to be installed also in your PC. Now wait for it to load as well. You follow the same method. Click on these three dots on this cast, save and share. Click on install page as app. With this, you can just simply edit it from here and just leave it at Excel. You click on install. Now if you go over to your desktop, you can also still see that. You can see Excel, you can see Word, and they are all installed in our PC. Now anytime I wish to use it, I can just simply click on it, and from here now I can create a blank new document and work with it. And one good thing is that this can be shared online. It allows for collaboration. So this is just a simple way you can download, install and use Microsoft Office 365 all for free direct from Microsoft platform, and it doesn't have any paid subscription or any requirement of product key. If you got any value from this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, click on that subscribe button so that you get notified of when I make videos in this particular channel. I'll be glad you become my fan in this particular channel. Thank you.